In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Squarespace. Whether you're looking to streamline your email marketing or grow your subscriber list, connecting Mailchimp to your Squarespace site is a must-have integration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to link the two platforms seamlessly so you can start collecting email subscribers directly from your website. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. This step is important to make sure you're accessing the correct site that you want to connect with Mailchimp. If you manage multiple websites through Squarespace, take a moment to verify that you're viewing the right one. You can check this at the top of your dashboard before moving forward. Once you're in the right place, look over to the left-hand menu on your Squarespace dashboard and click on Settings. Now, keep in mind that the Settings panel might take a moment to load, especially if your site contains a lot of content. So don't worry if you experience a slight delay here. It's completely normal. Next, scroll through the Settings menu and find the section labeled Third-Party Tools. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where you'll find options to integrate external services like Mailchimp. So it's the perfect spot for setting up this connection. Within the Third-Party Tools section, look for and select Extensions. Extensions are what allow you to add extra features and functionality to your Squarespace site. This is where you'll find the tools you need to enhance how your website interacts with other platforms. Now, in the Extensions area, use the search bar at the top of the screen to look for Mailchimp. Typing it in is the quickest way to locate it, but if you prefer, you can also browse through the available extensions until you find it. Once Mailchimp appears in the search results, click on it to open the setup options. Then select Connect to start linking your accounts. This is the step that initiates the direct communication between Squarespace and Mailchimp. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. On the other hand, if you don't have a Mailchimp account yet, this is the perfect time to create one. You'll need it to complete the integration process, so make sure you're all set up before continuing. After logging in, Mailchimp will ask for your permission to allow Squarespace to access your data. This might sound a little technical, but it's basically just a way to ensure that the two platforms can communicate securely. Grant the necessary permissions to move forward. Once you've done that, follow any additional prompts that appear to finalize the integration. These may include a few confirmation steps, so just go through them as instructed. Keep in mind that the connection process may take a few moments to complete in the background, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. To verify that everything is working correctly, go back to your Squarespace site and add a newsletter sign-up form to one of your pages. You can do this by editing a page, dragging in the newsletter block, and customizing it to match your site's design. Once the form is live, test it out by signing up with a test email to ensure that new subscribers are successfully added to your Mailchimp list. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Mailchimp to your Squarespace site and can start collecting emails from visitors with ease. By setting this up, you've opened the door to streamlining your marketing efforts and growing your audience efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.